Scholars, today we're going to review the AR, which makes what sound? R, the AR sound, okay? So I'm going to help you along, and then you can go back without the volume later and read it completely by yourself. A spark in the dark. Mom sits on the porch. The twins whiz past. Now you try. Cover and chunk if you need to, finger point. First word is a sight word. That's right. When it is dark, the stars are out. Now, first word is someone's name. So let's just cover and chunk. Car, men, Carmen. Carmen spots a little star. It is not far up. You try. What a star, said Carmen. I wish I had that star. You try first. Cover and chunk. That is a bug, said Corbin. I will catch more in a jar. Try again if that one was hard. You can go back after and try it again. A spark in the dark, said Carmen. Friends, I'd like you to make sure that you try to read this 3 times or so, and you can practice every day the AR sound.